Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this list of app and file, we click on first app and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear this app because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.